If your Temu coupon code keeps failing, disappearing, or doing nothing at checkout, there's one step you're probably skipping. And without it, no coupon will work. Let me explain it clearly. Before we begin, I've put the working Temu coupon code on screen, and it's also in the description and pinned comment, so you can follow along. Here's the mistake. Most people paste a coupon code and assume Temu will apply it automatically, but Temu requires manual activation before the coupon can be used. Here's how to fix it properly. Step 1. Use the activation link. Click the first link in the description. This connects the coupon to your account. When the page opens, you'll see a QR code. Scan it if you're on mobile. If you're on desktop, enter the manual code shown. This step activates the coupon. Step 2. Confirm activation. Open the Temu app again. Go to your profile and tap coupons. If you see the coupon there, it's active. If you don't, repeat step 1. The activation didn't register. Step 3. Select the coupon at checkout. Add items to your cart. At checkout, tap available coupons. Manually select the coupon. This is the step that breaks everything when skipped. Once selected, your total updates instantly. Why coupons randomly fail? They weren't activated, they weren't selected, they expired. That's why some people save money and others think Temu coupons don't work. Use the code on screen, follow these steps, and try again. And if it finally applies for you, leave a comment and tell me how much you saved.